Welcome to our English dinner video. I am Ryan.
And I am Jessica. We are happy you are here.
Today you will learn easy English for restaurants and menus.
This lesson is mostly A1 level, with some simple B1 sentences.
Please subscribe and learn with us every week about daily English.
Comment and tell us where you are watching from today.
Hi, Jessica. This restaurant looks nice. Are you hungry?
Hi, Ryan. Yes, I am very hungry and also very curious.
I do not understand this menu. The words look very difficult.
Me too. There are many new food words and strange names.
What is grilled polenta? I know grilled, but not polenta.
Good question. I can write these new words in my notebook.
Maybe we can ask someone. Asking questions is very important.
Yes, we can practice polite questions in English for our viewers.
First, we show you some useful restaurant words on this menu.
Then we practice how to ask clear questions about food.
Look here, this part says starters. Starters are the first small dishes.
Yes, like soup or salad. Starters come before the main course.
This part is main dishes or main courses, the big plates of food.
Right, usually the most filling food. For example, steak, pasta, or fish.
Here are desserts, sweet food after the meal like cake or ice cream.
And here are drinks, sometimes called beverages, like water, juice, or tea.
When you see a new word, you can ask, what does this mean?
Yes, or how do you say this if pronunciation is difficult?
Okay, now let us practice real questions like we talk to a waiter.
We will model polite questions you can use in any restaurant.
Excuse me, what is the soup of the day, please?
That is a good example. It is short, clear, and very polite.
You can say, could you explain this dish, please, when unsure.
Or, what is in this salad? To ask about ingredients clearly.
If you have allergies, ask, does this contain nuts or dairy?
Yes, always protect your health. Be direct, but keep a friendly tone.
You can finish by saying, that is all for now, thank you.
And do not forget, could we have some water, please?
Those questions are simple but powerful. They help you feel more confident.
Yes, asking clearly can transform a confusing menu into an enjoyable experience.
Now imagine the food arrived. Ordering was easier after we asked questions.
Exactly. We understood the dishes and chose something we really liked.
We practiced restaurant words, menu sections, and polite questions to get information.
These phrases are practical. You can use them in many countries and situations.
Now it is your turn. Write one restaurant question in the comments.
You can also tell us your favorite dish to order when eating out.
Thank you for learning with us tonight. Goodbye, everyone, and goodbye, Jessica.
Goodbye, Ryan, and goodbye to you at home. See you next time. Hello, everyone. I am Jessica, your English teacher. Today, we will study English from our story. Please subscribe. Start with excuse me. Could you explain this dish, please? Form. Could plus subject plus base verb. Could we have some water, please? What is in this salad? Does this contain nuts or dairy? What does this mean? How do you say this? That is all for now, thank you. Be direct, but keep a friendly tone. Short, clear, and very polite. Note how please softens the request. Excuse me adds respect and space. Use maybe to soften a plan. We will model polite questions. You can use in any restaurant how to ask clear questions. Menu term, starters. Starters come before the main course. I will explain grammar, verbs, and sentence use. I will explain why these phrases sound polite. Main dishes or main courses, the most filling food. For example, steak, pasta, or fish. Desserts, sweet food after the meal. Sometimes called beverages, like water, juice, or tea. Look here. Guides attention politely. Good question. Verb plus object pattern, ask someone. Noun phrase, questions about food. They help you feel more confident. Asking clearly can transform. Simile lead-in, like we talk to a waiter. Now it is your turn. Imperative. Write one restaurant question. Thank you for learning with us tonight. I will show when to use them in real life. Note the level, mostly A1 level. Also, simple B1 sentences. Present simple for facts. Starters are the first small dishes. B plus adjective. We are happy you are here. I am very hungry. And also very curious. I know grilled, but not polenta. I do not understand this menu. There are many new food words. I can write these new words. Maybe we can ask someone. Asking questions is very important.